Hey everybody, yesterday you saw the video that I put on with my friend who had the braid disaster. Being that I own my factory now, I am able to give discounted prices of hair units that I personally make, and I don't have to pay my workers. And yesterday was one of those occasions, but it so happened, and it was a blessing, it so happened that I was able to give that discounted rate to my beautiful friend who was in dire need of a wig. So what I would like to be able to do would be to give a hair unit that I have made at least once a week for a discounted price to some lucky person out there who has a hair loss issue and whose budget is strained and cannot afford to pay the regular price. And this unit right here, this beautiful unit right here, is one such that I did. As a matter of fact, I made it today because I wanted to fulfill my obligation, or an obligation that I felt like I owed to viewers. This is a hair unit topper that is absolutely gorgeous. It is a blonde brown that will fit a head size from a medium small to a large. Now, if you have a hair loss situation where you have a lot of thick, healthy hair in the back and you have healthy hair on the sides, but you suffer from crown thinning or hair loss, this unit is perfect for you. What I would suggest is that you taper your hair in the back, and you know what really looks great? If your back hair is darker than this unit. If you are someone who could use this hair unit, which clips on, that means that you can take it on and off at your convenience, or you can wear it without taking it off. This hair unit is perfect for you. All of my hair units are made with 10 grade premium hair. That means no tangling, longevity of the hair, and just a beautiful hair unit that you know is not going to let you down or disappoint you with tangling or matting. This, if you, oh my goodness, if you feel this, it feels so good, and she is absolutely beautiful. No one will ever know that you have hair loss on your crown.